Okay, so hello YouTube viewers, welcome back. It's Emily here. I would like to thank my new subscribers, all subscribers and viewers, for subscribing, for rating, for favoring, for your comments, for the support. I really appreciate it. Today I got you a review about the Cream of Nature with Argan oil from Morocco. I'm gonna do the review on the sulfate-free shampoo, the intensive conditioning treatment, the leave-in, and the oil treatment. Okay, now I also would like to thank Millie4141 for putting me into these products. I really appreciate it. I don't know if you guys remember that around my birthday, one of my subscribers sent me a big package of products, and this was it. Okay, and I have to say that I really enjoy and love this product. I used it once and look, you know, how much I still have, and I love it so much because I love it so much that I had to go to Walgreens. I think last week they had a special buy one get one free, so I bought me another one. I bought another shampoo, and I also bought the oil moisturizer. Okay, so I want to thank her for putting me into this product. This is great. This honestly does what it says that it's gonna do. I don't know if that makes sense. But you know, it says that it's a moisture and shine shampoo, and basically hydrates and detangles, so you could detangle with this shampoo. Now at first when she said that, I was like, really? You know, I kind of like was skeptical about it because she's relaxed, and as you know, natural hair is very different from relaxed, especially when it's afro texture hair. When it's black hair, it's very difficult to detangle most of the time, and especially with shampoo. So I was very skeptical, and I was very surprised that this shampoo will do that. So anyway, if you want to see this review, please stay tuned. So you guys see me from there? I don't want to wet my floor. And this will be my second time trying the shampoo and the intensive treatment. Now this is how it looks like. It smells pretty decent. It doesn't have a strong smell, in my opinion. And the best way to do this is you could divide your hair into parts. Put a little more water. There you go. You can see the lather. I love this shampoo. Maybe put a little more, yo. Just put a little more. Yeah, mommy. Excuse me?
No.
What do you need?
Take a bath, Mama.
You want to take a bath? Later when I turn off the camera. Okay, mommy. You can see the lather. And my hair at this point feels very soft, people, for real. It feels very soft, and I'm very surprised. Because, as you all know, shampoos are for cleaning your hair, and conditioners are for putting moisture on your hair, you know, and make it easy to detangle your hair, etc. But yeah, let me see. This is amazing. You know, when I do this, it doesn't feel weird, you know. It doesn't feel that I'm ripping up my hair or nothing like that. That I'm struggling. And again, for better results, just divide your hair into parts. Wow. You see that? Look at that. Look at that, yo. Can run my fingers through it. You see some shedding, of course. That's just my hair. But I could, you know, pass my fingers through it. Shedding. Alright, people, so I'm gonna finish off camera. I just wanted to give you a demonstration. And then I will come back with the conditioning part. Or how I condition my hair with the Argan Oil Intensive Conditioner. Alright? Please stay tuned. Okay. Bye, Mama. Okay, hold on, I'm coming. Okay. Hold on. Now that I finished rinsing out the shampoo, as you can see, I'm gonna apply the intensive conditioning treatment, and then I'm gonna leave it for, it says to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes under a hooded dryer. I'll probably leave it for 20 minutes. Okay. Now, the first time I used the deep conditioner, I wasn't really pleased with it. You know, I feel like it left my hair a little hard. But maybe it's because I didn't do it properly. It could be. This is the consistency. Because when I did it the first time, I didn't got under the dryer. I just rinsed it out really quick because, as you hear, my daughter, you know, requires my attention. So, you know, and that day she was like, you know what I mean, you know, that she needed to eat, etc. Okay, so now I'm applying the deep conditioner and the intensive mask. You see what I'm saying? Look. And again, this is my second time trying this product. I'm ready to detangle my hair. I don't know, the conditioner feels a little weird to me again. But once again, let's see how this feels once I get under the dryer, etc. That I rinse it out again. And again, for better application of the product, you may divide your hair into sections or parts, or however you call it. Blooper. Hold on. Man, my hands are slippery. Let's see. Give you a big part so you guys see it. And for people that ask me kind of like a remedy about the shedding, I'm still trying to figure it out because my hair still, you know, sheds a lot, you know. Look, you see? So I still haven't been able to find a product that, you know, to kind of like reduce the shedding so far, now that I'm natural. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply all this through my hair. Then I'm gonna put plastic wrap. Then I'm gonna get under my hooded dryer for 20 minutes, even though it says for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna get for 20 minutes because this hair is no joke. And then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'm gonna let you know how I feel about it. And then we're gonna do some other stuff with my hair. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, people, welcome back. So I put this plastic wrap and I got under the dryer for about 20 minutes, even though it says 10 to 15. Now we'll see how this works for me. All right, there we go. Now I'm rinsing it out. Boy. Okay, remember that I use the intensive conditioning treatment once again. So now, I don't know. I think I'm having the first results that I had the first time. Hold on. Okay, it's good. I could detangle, but my hair, I don't know, doesn't feel as good as I wanted to. Once again, the conditioner or a deep conditioner is supposed to make your hair feel softer than the shampoo, and I feel like in this case the shampoo makes the hair feel more softer than the conditioner. It's just crazy. So I'm not really, you know, get that. I'm not really, you know, feeling that much the shampoo. I'm not really, I'm sorry, the conditioner. I'm not really like enjoying that much the conditioner. I don't know. You guys see it? Alright. So stay tuned for the next part. This has been Samili 5. Okay, people, so I just got out of the shower. And like I was saying, the intensive conditioning treatment, I don't know, I just don't like it. And again, this is my second time trying it, and I feel like I got the same results as the first time, which it was that it leaves my hair kind of hard. I don't know why, but I'm not convinced with this product, with this one, with the conditioner. But I am convinced with the sulfate-free shampoo, and this is gonna be one of my staples. Okay, this is a product that I will continue buying. Yeah. So now the next step is the Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. And you know, with the leave-in conditioners, I prefer my leave-in conditioners creamy instead of spray. So we'll see how this goes. You know, just, you know, divide your hair and spray it. Etc. Okay, people, so welcome back. So now I'm gonna style my hair with a 2-strand twist, and I'm gonna use the oil treatment to seal the moisture, but I'm gonna put it first. It smells good. And then I'm gonna use this, and it's my first time using the oil moisturizer, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so welcome back. So as you can see, this is the next day. I decided to do some twist. I slept with them, and now I am applying a little bit of the Argan oil treatment. Now in this video, I'm going to tell you my thoughts about the whole line of Argan oil, or the products that I use in this video. Now, the shampoo is a sulfate-free shampoo. I love it. You guys saw how I could detangle my hair with this. It smells pretty decent. It's affordable. They sell it in Walgreens, CVS, Walmart, etc. And I really enjoy this product. And like I said, I enjoy it so much that you know, when they put it in special, I had to just buy it again. And thanks to Millie4141 once again for letting me know about this product. So I love it. This is gonna be one of my stable products. Okay. Now, the intensive conditioning treatment, I don't really like it. I don't know. I feel like it let my hair, like I said, like, it's weird. It let my hair kind of hard. I don't know. So, and this is my second time trying it. So this, I don't really like it so far. But we'll see. I'm not going to throw it away because I don't throw anything away. Now about the leave-in. The leave-in conditioner, I gotta get used to it because I prefer my leave-ins, like I told you guys in this video, I prefer my leave-ins creamy, like, you know, like the Salern that is creamy, not in spray. Like, I'm not used to this, but you know, it's okay, and it smells good. The oil moisturizer, this is also a heat protecting agent. You could use it to blow dry your hair, to style. You could use it, I'm thinking you could use it wet or dry. It doesn't say, but also very affordable. And this is the consistency. Oops, because I didn't show you this. Well, can you see it? That's the consistency of it. So yeah, and that's all I gotta say about the Argan oil products. I still have some more to review. I still have the foaming wrapping lotion, which I have to review and let you guys know how I feel about that, but I haven't used it. I haven't had the chance. And about the oil, I love it too. This so far is gonna be my staples, this oil and this shampoo, because I really love it. I really enjoy it, you know. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you guys like the review. And this has been 75. You already know how this looks already, so I'm gonna cut you off, guys. Bye bye and take care.